Hey, hello guys, Brian back here with another look at Nvidia. Alright, ever since we called this high in here, this thing has obviously been rolling over ever since. Alright, looks like could possibly end up being a 5 waves down. So looking something, Elliott waves down here. 2, 3, this 3 might come down a little bit further. 4, 5, finish up in here. Something like that. Reason I'm expecting something like that is we got that daily getting towards the bottom here. This RSI down here at the bottom getting extremely oversold down here. All right, so I'd be expecting some kind of bounce up here pretty soon. The 12-hour, same thing here, getting really low on the RSIs. So the 8-hour, then the 4. I don't know if there is an 8-hour on this thing. Every time I click on it, it's the same as the 12. But still expecting that pullback down to that 312 area. All right. If we go out on the higher time frames, like the weekly, you can see it's pulling down pretty hard. All right. If you look up here, look at this red candle we got here so far. This week, this thing has pulled back from the top to the bottom. 11% for the week so far, down roughly $50. All right, and the monthly, let's see what we got on the monthly. Yeah, bearish too, rolled over a 91 and a 94. All right, so if we break open this chart a little bit more, all right, obviously this blue line here is a 618 Fibonacci pullback. Okay, if we put we get on the chart here, put a fib on here from the bottom to the top. All right, that's 618. Well, actually the 618 is just a hair lower. Yeah, okay. All right, I was taking it off this up here, this price up here, but if we pull it down the whole way, one of the two. All right, this would give it very good. This would give it a very good support area. Let me unlock this a second. Right there, because this prior support, this is on the monthly, okay, and also this top up here up at 328 would be very close to filling this lower time frame gaps that we have here. All right, let's get this fib off here real quick so we can see a little bit more this chart. If you would, please hit the like and subscribe. I would appreciate that very, very much. We got that gap from 320 up to, roughly 365, somewhere through there. So you want to see this gap filled in price action, and usually they always do get filled. So at some time, like I said, this would be the perfect time for this to end up coming down off here, hitting that 618, which I believe is going to be down there, and then bouncing out of here. That would give that monthly, well, the weekly RSI time to get down to the bottom down there and reset. And then we're still at a 64 down here on the bottom, so this thing has to come down further, and get reset down here to have any big pushes up here. That daily, it's at a 0 and a 4, still bearish. All right, but that's what I'd be expecting here. 5 waves down out of this thing. That would make the most sense. Okay, this is our third one. It's the third wave we're working in now. This could pull down even further, and then a fourth, and then a fifth and final wave out of that. And then this thing should bounce down here and start heading up. All right, guys, thank you very, very much. Hope you have a great Friday, and I'll talk to you soon.